I'm joined today by Brian Lockwood, Piton Investment Management's Chief Investment Officer. Hey, Brian, thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So you manage two strategies for Piton. We'll dive into those respectively here in a second. I want to kind of get your take, bigger picture. Give us a little bit about your background and a lot of talk about the Fed, obviously meeting again. Are they lowering rates this year? How many times? A lot of talk. As a preview for our audience, you manage two different strategies, one being an ultra short duration and then the other a taxable intermediate. We'll dive into those here in a moment. Relative to those fixed income, you guys have a strong expertise in fixed income solutions. What are you guys seeing on the street? What are you hearing? What are clients asking about?
Sure. Well, let's take it from a longer term perspective. And when you look at the bond market hasn't, over the last few years, hasn't done what it's supposed to do. When you think about, we've had a long period of time where we've had really low rates, and then a really sharp correction in 2022. Correlations were high with risk markets and bond markets, and that wasn't a good recipe for fixed income. But this year, coming into this year, fixed income markets are poised to do really well. And in the 30 years that I've been a bond manager, this is probably so far is one of the best years we've seen as a start to the fixed income markets.
Oh, you got to be excited about that. So let's dive into the strategy specifically. So one of them is the ultra short duration. Obviously, it's a substitute, a cash equivalent. Why this product?
So great question. The product set for all of our SMA strategies is to make sure that it's customized, it's for the client. And this is a strategy that comes out of what a corporation would look at when they're managing their cash on their balance sheet. So whether you're Microsoft or a company with billions of dollars on your balance sheet, you want a customized approach to managing that cash based on your liquidity needs, based on getting institutional prices in the marketplace. And this is just an alternative way of owning the bonds rather than a commingled vehicle, of having an ultra short cash-like vehicle in your portfolio for core cash, for your liquidity needs. It's great when you have a liquidity event. It's great when you have a big portion of cash that's pegged for something, or you just keep that as an asset class.
Yeah. Okay. Then, in terms of the taxable intermediate strategy, what are the talking points there?
Taxable intermediate strategy is what is the preferred habitat for high net worth clients, for treasury cash of a corporation, for institutions. The idea of this portfolio is 0 to 10-year bonds. So it's got an intermediate duration. It's not like an aggregate fund that has the volatility of the 30-year sector of the bond market. So you participate in the upside. It's a really conservative, safe way to approach the bond market. And I think it's probably, for high net worth clients, it's a perfect cornerstone investment for their portfolios.
Nice. Okay, I'm going to put you on the spot. I told you I wouldn't, but I always like to throw a curveball in here. What's one thing people aren't talking about right now, but they should be?
I think the beauty of active management and managing these portfolios, whether it's SMAs or ETFs or all of the customized strategies that we have, people don't realize that while absolute yields have come up and they're attractive right now, corporate spreads are really tight. And they're still tight, even with the volatility that we've had over the last few months in the equity market. So as an active manager, we can underweight sectors and move to government bond sectors or taxable muni sectors. We can rotate the portfolios to have a longer term advantageous approach to the bond market.
Yeah, no, I like that. Okay, folks interested, how do they get in touch with you?
Sure. So through Halo, we have some complement products that we utilize with Halo. Obviously, you can talk to, you can get our website, and we have a data room there.
And you guys are available for one-on-ones if needed.
One of the best things about the way we approach the market is you actually talk to the trigger puller at Piton, and we love that about our SMAs. So for advisors that are out there, you can use us. We can help you do proposals. We can help you put together client meetings and just go through the portfolios with you.
Yeah, what's nice about you guys, and one quick plug for you off the script here again is you guys have always been great. We come to you and say, hey, we're working on this thing. Somebody's $1 million client or $100 million client. You guys are always eager to help no matter what, and it's never been about size, and it's more about solutions. So as always, we really appreciate your partnership.
I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
All right, Brian, thanks again, and we'll look forward to talking to you again.
Appreciate it.